Hello and welcome to week 5. This time we'll be talking about modules and multi-part forms. Modules provide a means of packaging procedures so they can be called from any component within the form. In this week's assignment, we used a multi-part form to calculate two different criteria based on the same module. Remember how in week 4 it took a large amount of code to run all of the calculations we needed for the price calculator. And imagine if there were multiple screens on that form and how much more code it would have required. By setting up a module or modules, you can use many, with all the major expressions already written, all we have to do is call that module into a single line of code. I've used a very rudimentary calculation here to show how this will work. I have named my function calc total, and then if you look in one of my forms, you can see that when it came time to do the calculation, all I had to do was to call the function. Okay, if you look at the form that I've created, again, it's just basic formatting. You can see the different menu options and the ability to create even more if needed. You can continue adding. You would double click on these to add your functionality, just like with any button. And you can see the difference a picture or image will make if that were a logo or a picture of the business, or considering we're dealing with food, some kind of image from that. How much difference it would make as far as the branding. And you can also begin to see how multiple functions, this one is geared toward meals. If this were a hospital, you could do like medical supplies, different means of ordering, checking inventory. There are a lot of different things that could be added here to make a cohesive application for the business. Okay, I hope you enjoy working with modules and multi-level forms, and have a great week.